Today we are talking if we can offer coconut water or tender coconut water for children, babies especially. If yes, from when we can give it, how much, and during cough or cold, is it safe? All these queries would be answered. Hello and welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita and I generally make videos on such baby care and health related topics. I also make videos on, there are so many recipe videos that you can find for babies and kids. In today's video, we are talking about the great, refreshing, cooling drink, the tender coconut water. And it has amazing medicinal and nutritional properties. We are all aware. When someone is ill, we would carry it to the hospital, right? So it is that great. And obviously when it comes to baby, though we all drink it, we all love the taste, it's famous worldwide. When it comes to babies, we worry, and it's obvious because we need to be sure of what we are going to do. So this video will be really helpful in understanding what are the benefits and all that questions that I told you already. Let's talk about benefits of coconut water. It is loaded with vitamin B, proteins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants as well. And this can help keep us energized for a longer time. And when it comes to babies or children, you know how active they are. They are always on their toes and busy, and they eat less. They are more concentrating on playing. So this much of water can really keep them rehydrated. And it contains lauric acid, which is only found in breast milk, and hence helps gain immunity, fight with infection and illnesses that a breast milk can help us with. This also has electrolytes. So when someone is suffering from diarrhea, doctor advises us to take ORS or electrolytes. So this has it naturally, and it is amazing. It also helps cure constipation. Any baby has motion issues that can be taken care of when offered in regular intervals. It also takes care of flatulence, gas or bloating, and stomach ulcers. Also, intestinal worms can be well controlled when this is offered regularly at intervals. It is advised to be started only after a year. To elaborate it, until 6 months it's only breast milk or formula. After 6 months until a year, it is solid plus breast milk or formula. We never, or any doctor wouldn't advise to stop breast milk or formula till a year just because you started solids. Please watch our video on introduction of solid, because until a year it is only complementary to give solids. The main food still is breast milk or formula milk. Now we also recommend that you give water in sips in between the solids, but it is not mandatory to give water, because breast milk or formula milk has that water which is required for the baby to grow well, for digestion and many other requirements. So even coconut water is not advised till a year. So I hope you understand, and I really hope that you do not mix it with any baby food or mix it with formula and offer. This can be dangerous. So at first, during fever, cough, cold, we lose a lot of water from our body. We get dehydrated, and coconut water helps rehydration. So it is very important to offer it in smaller quantities, sip by sip to babies. Not that you pour it into their mouth deliberately. No, sip by sip. If baby can take it in, it is really good for them to rehydrate. Now talking about winter, in winter it is likely that everyone pees a lot, even babies pee a lot. Now coconut water is diuretic. It means that it will make us pee more than normal. So it is advised that we do not give a lot, let's not go overboard and give coconut water during winter, but in limited quantity you can give it, because it has medicinal and healing properties. You definitely have to include it in their diet, be it any season, and sip by sip when baby takes it, it becomes very healthy. And definitely it does not cause cough or cold. Please take that out of your mind. No food causes cough or cold. It's virus or bacteria that does. What happens is, anytime if it is winter or it is raining, we avoid giving fruits and so many vegetables. It is definitely going to cause bad than cause any good to your child, because seasonal fruits, fresh fruits are really healthy, and hence even coconut water when you offer cannot cause cough or cold. We'll talk about few recommendations while you are considering to offer coconut water to babies. At first, offer it as fresh as possible. If there is no go, you have to store it within 24 hours. It needs to be consumed, not something that you bought 5 or 6 days. The nutrient would be lost, so it is not advisable. And it is good to strain it always before offering. Maybe the flesh in the coconut, or the shell, piece of a shell. All these can cause issues when your child is trying to drink. Even if it is a year-old baby, the baby wouldn't know how to judge a sudden intake of flesh in between the water. So strain it well. It may be a very simple thing, but these simple things we ignore sometimes, and sometimes unwanted things, or which we think is serious, we consider it serious. I'm sorry, I don't want to make any point here. It is that I also do, that I'm telling you now. And do not offer this as an alternative to water. Now, coconut water is healthy, but it has a lot of sugar and potassium. You cannot give it sip by sip the whole day. You cannot have two tender coconut and offer it the whole day. Just 1/4 or half a glass of it is half a cup of it is sufficient for your child for the whole day, and weekly twice or thrice is sufficient. And do not mix it with any baby food or formula, as I already said. The flesh of coconut, which is tasty as well, can be offered to babies post a year when they are ready to eat, chew, and like it. I really hope you like this video, and I hope I have tried to answer all of your queries related to this topic. I have few more recommendations. Do check gripe water video. Is it safe or not for babies? And salt and sugar is not recommended for them till a year. Reason you can know in that video. Do check that, it would be in the description. And I own Tots and Moms Foods. That is how this channel exists. Organic USDA certified foods for babies, kids and toddlers are made here. Cereals, porridge mixes, pancake mixes, cookies. There is no salt, no sugar used, no preservative used. Even the drink mixes and cookies are made out of jaggery. We really strive hard to ensure that each of our baby food pack or kids food pack goes out fresh and neat and safe, and I would really recommend you to check that at shop.totsandmoms.com. And I'll leave you here. Please consider following us, and I'll see you soon in yet another video. Bye-bye.